You have a problem with a motor circuit in a school kitchen setup. There are two 3 horsepower motors on the same branch circuit, both with starters and heaters, starting simultaneously. The blueprints don't match the actual installation, and you're questioning if you should perform a motor feeder calculation, a branch circuit calculation, or simply use the equipment nameplate rating of 31 amps. Given the situation with 2 motors starting simultaneously, a motor feeder calculation is most appropriate. Here's a breakdown. First, you'll need to calculate the motor full load amperage, or FLA. The formula is horsepower times 746 watts divided by voltage times efficiency times power factor. Let's assume horsepower is 3, voltage is 208 volts, efficiency is 90%, and power factor is 0.8. Thus, FLA equals 3 times 746 divided by 208 times 0.9 times 0.8, which equals approximately 15.8 amps. Second, calculate the motor starting current, also known as locked rotor amps, or LRA. This is the FLA multiplied by the motor code letter factor. Assume a motor code letter of B which has a code letter factor of 6. Therefore, LRA equals 15.8 amps times 6, which equals 94.8 amps. Third, determine the simultaneous starting current. Since both motors start at the same time, the starting current is doubled. Starting current equals 2 times LRA equals 2 times 94.8 amps, which equals 189.6 amps. Fourth, calculate the motor feeder ampacity. Motor feeder ampacity equals starting current plus FLA. Motor feeder ampacity equals 189.6 amps plus 15.8 amps, which equals 205.4 amps. For the branch circuit calculation, the nameplate rating is 31 amps. However, this doesn't account for the simultaneous motor starting. A branch circuit calculation based on the motor feeder ampacity is more appropriate. Branch circuit ampacity equals motor feeder ampacity, which equals 205.4 amps. Therefore, the recommendation is based on the calculations the branch circuit for the motor circuit should be rated for 205.4 amps. This ensures the circuit can handle the high starting current of 2 3 horsepower motors operating at the same time.